So here we have the Splitfire 2265. This machine is rated for 18 tons and has been really designed for the homeowner that's heating for a house, shop, or a garage or something like that. We say for the amount of cord you would split with something like this is between 1 to 50. And as far as rounds, it could vary from 12 inches up to 24, 26. I mean, if you can fit bigger stuff on it, it'll most likely split it. Just like all the Splitfire machines, this is a two-way split, meaning that the knife goes back and forth. And on either side, we have our stops unique to Splitfire for safety and efficiency. Of course, on the inside slider, we have UHMW on all four sides, and we have the actuating lever right here for the forward and the reverse. What makes these machines special, of course, is that you don't have to wait for that return stroke. So the second you're over here, you put a log here, split it back and forth, so on. So you're really saving that time and being efficient when you're splitting wood. You know, this machine comes with a Kohler standard, but has an option for a Honda GX200. And you know, at Splitfire, we really pride ourselves in putting a really quality machine together using quality American steel, as many American components as we can. And you know, these machines come with a 2-year warranty, and depending on what motor you get, it comes with more warranty on that option. You can see this machine here is set up with an optional hydraulic log lifter, which can be actuated via this simple diverter valve. And that's not an option that you need to get. You can also get a log table. We also have other options like a nose extension, a set of fenders, lights, and a utility hitch that would fit on the far side of the motor. Overall, this machine is meant for someone that's splitting small to medium-sized logs and is heating a home or a garage. And we got some pretty dry wood behind us here that's been sitting for a season or two, and we're going to split some rounds so you can see what this thing can really do. So you can see how quick and efficient the Splitfire 2265 is. With a 6-second cycle time, which is 3 seconds there, 3 seconds back, I'll oftentimes run at half throttle because there really isn't no need to go that fast anyways. The hydraulic log lifter option is a great option to reduce the amount of lifting you have to do and works as a great table. And the other options that are available also make the machine more efficient when you're going back to the bush and are great for different purposes. All in all, this is a perfect machine for a homeowner splitting for a garage or a shop, and we'll do it year after year. For more information, see us at split-fire.com or give us a call.